Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my recent purchases from Sephora. I was also invited to attend a couple of weddings and I was shopping for a wedding guest outfit, and I'll show you the dresses that I got. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you like my content, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I ran out of a few of my essentials and some items are finally back in the store and I just had to buy them. And I'm so excited to try them this time. Most of these are from Kérastase, but some are from Fresh and other brands. Some I got with points, and I'm gonna show to you these two as well. I'm gonna unbox them and show what's inside. Actually, my skin is quite sensitive, but I decided to check this out. This is a black tea perfecting mask. It contains antioxidants and supposed to smooth and soften the skin. And the other bottle is actually kombucha facial treatment essence. I'm curious to check them out. If I like them, I'll definitely buy them again. I decided to buy this mask. I read so many positive reviews about it and I just had to try it. It's supposed to make the hair look healthier, and I actually purchased quite a few from Kérastase, but so many people said that this one is one of the best. This range is considered to be a bit more premium. It's more expensive, but not much more expensive. I tried their shampoo before. It made my hair quite soft and I still had the volume, and I think the mask is going to be great as well. I also like the scent, it's quite nice. I also ran out of my favorite shampoo and I had to get a replacement. This one makes my hair so soft, it's much easier to brush. It makes them less dry, which is great, and maybe that's why they don't break as much. And it also gives the volume. And this is my absolute favorite product. They changed the packaging of the bottle. It looks a bit darker this time, and I previously talked about it in one of my vlogs, which I will link down for you guys in case you want to check it out. I couldn't find this one for years and I'm so happy that it's back in the store. It makes my hair so much easier to brush and doesn't glue them, which is important, and I absolutely love it. And of course, I had to get this serum. I ran out of it. I love the scent and I think it works. It makes my hair grow a little bit faster, which is important. The scent is so nice and I use it every single time when I wash my hair. I take 4 doses of this and apply it all over my scalp. I massage it in. It's one of my favorite products. My hairstylist recommended it to me. Quite a few of her customers are using it and absolutely loving it. And I'm one of them. It's so good. I also got this charcoal mask by Clinique, and it's actually suitable for all skin types, for mixed, for dry, and for oily, which is good. I had a similar mask before by other brands and it was pretty good. I'm curious to check out Clinique. In the past, I used to buy quite a few products from this brand, but for some reason I stopped and even forgot about it. Even though I always liked the quality, I'm sure I'm going to like this one. And in the past, I did not have any allergic reaction to the products from this brand. Let's see how it's going to be this time. I also got this Clinique makeup remover, which is quite good, and I'm usually quite sensitive. Let's see if this one is going to be good as well. And also I ran out of Olaplex 3, which is my favorite. I had to buy 2 more. I think I'm gonna order a bit more later because I use them quite often and they really help to improve my hair condition. Especially after hair highlights, I just can't live without this product. Moving on to the clothes. I was recently invited to attend weddings this year and I realized that I don't have anything to wear. I have recently donated so many of my clothes. And actually from 2020 onwards, I have been donating a lot every single year. So I don't have anything suitable for the occasions and I decided to shop for some outfits. I'm currently obsessed with pink color with different shades, light pink, dusty pink. I love them all, they're so stunning. And I'm also obsessed with feathers. I think it's quite unique and I don't have anything like that in my wardrobe. This dress is from the brand called Likely. It's in the 0 size or extra small, which usually fits me quite nicely. I wanted to get something which is more modern and something that I would be able to wear quite often. And I think this dress meets the description. I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks on me, but so far I love the design. And here is the code in case you are interested in it. And I will also add the link in the description box below in case you guys need it. I think the length is going to be just right, which is great. I don't want the dress to be too long and too short. Let's see. I will also wear it with heels, but not very high heels. And if I like it, I'll probably get it in other colors. It also comes in a black color and I saw it in a white. I also got this dress from Ariane Elmi in an extra small size. It's the first item that I'm buying from this brand. I never tried their clothes before, but I'm so curious to check it out. I just fell in love with the fabric. It's so stunning. It has 2 layers and I just love the colors, the dusty pink and the gold. So beautiful. And the sleeves are really cute and that's why I chose this dress. Really, really stunning. It's a bit loose and I think I will have to alter it a lot, but let's see. I'll try on both dresses and show to you guys. I like it. It's quite simple, yet it's so special. The feathers make it look quite cool. And it also gives me 60s vibe, which is my favorite. I really love this dress and the fabric is quite nice. The quality of the feathers is quite good too. It's really pretty, I love it. I will definitely need to get it in another color. And I think I'll be able to wear it quite often as well, not just to the special occasions. And I think I'm gonna style it with the white Chanel Classic Flap bag and Roger Vivier shoes in white as well. Actually, when I was buying it, I thought that I would be able to match it with my pink Chanel Iridescent Classic Flap bag, but unfortunately the shade doesn't really match. I think it's better to wear it with white. It looks a bit more clean and refreshing. I just love this combination. I feel like white bags just work with most of the colors. They are so easy to match. And by the way guys, I have previously reviewed my white Chanel Classic Flap bag on my channel. I will find that vlog and link it down for you guys in case you want to have a look. It's one of my most favorite bags. Here is another dress and I'm just obsessed with the sleeves. They are so huge and that's why I love it. I would have to make it a bit more tighter. It's too loose at the moment, but it's stunning. I'm obsessed with the color combination. This style is really pretty and I think I'm gonna match it with my small Chanel bag. I think this color works here. It's quite pretty, even though it has silver hardware. Or maybe with the Chanel Iridescent Pink flap that I showed to you earlier. Both of these would work quite nicely. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!